Hello guys. Today I'll show how to export the data from quantity of material from Revit to Excel sheet. Okay. For this, I have the plan here. This is my plan. I need to go to the slightly here view. I need to go to view. Then I need to go to schedule and quantity. Then I need to go for floor. Also for floor. I will make floor. Okay. Then I need the sneak code. Okay. What quantity I need, I will place it to the right hand side. Okay, I will tag the family and I don't need the image. I don't need the image. Structure thermal type. I need the full one. I need the label. I need the default thickness and okay, that's it. Okay, after that I will click OK and 50 mm thickness. Then I will go to then I go to file. Then I will go to export and I will need to go down. Down here is no this until down report. Then you need to report. You need to schedule. Then I'll write for schedule. Okay, to shape. Okay. Then I go to my Excel sheet. Then open it because I need to. This is my text document. Open. Next. Missed. Oh, sorry. This is and by this way I can export my file. It's can I'll open again. Open, browse. Hmm, by this way I can get my file. Yeah, it's like a zigzag. We can make we can make the six separate tabular form and show it. Thank you for watching. Bye.